Hello, my dear friends. How are you today? What are you doing? Do you know, today we are going to talk about our English lessons. And first lesson, we will talk about present continuous tense. Okay, what is it, the present continuous tense? And when we use present continuous tense and how? Okay, let's get it. For example, we have picture and I will show you when we use present continuous tense. Let's listen. We use present continuous tense to talk about the things that happen now, right now, at the moment. For example, she is cooking. Okay, let's think. What is she doing? She is cooking now. Not every day, not tomorrow, just now. Okay, do you understand me? Next question, example, panda is eating at this moment. What panda is doing? Panda is eating at this moment. I think you understand. Okay, next. How we make present continuous tense. How we get this continuous? We make present continuous with auxiliary verb to be. I think you know how many to be we have. There are three: is, am, is, are, and in present and verb plus ing form. Here we have I will show you how we can make present continuous tense. I think you know subjects, I, am. We always use I with to be, am, always. Let's remember. Next, he, she, it. You know that he, she, it, it's third form of singular. We always use with this singular to be is. Next subject is we, they, you. We always use to be, are. Now we remember our to be and how we make continuous tense. Let's see. To be plus verb ing form. Okay guys, we have three forms. They are positive, negative and question. Okay, first one, we will start to learn about positive form. How we make positive form? The end of this sentence we have dots. That's why we call it positive form. For example, I am writing. I is subject, am to be, and verb and plus ing form. Next one, what is she doing? She is writing. She is subject, is to be, and verb plus ing form. Next one, what is he doing? He is writing. He is a subject, is to be, and verb plus ing form. Okay, the next form is negative form. Here we have how we make negative form. Let's listen. In the formation negative form, we add negative partial not after auxiliary verb. Here I show you how we can make. For example, am plus not. We have negative form. Next is not. Or we can have also short form, isn't. As I show you, isn't. We have always used isn't short form of verb. Next, are not. Or maybe aren't. It's short form of to be. For example, I am reading. I am reading is a positive form. Then, next we get negative form. I am not reading. Next, she is singing is positive form. Then we get she isn't singing. Isn't because it's third form of singular. Next, we are writing. We aren't writing. We get negative forms. Okay, and next form is question form. How we make a question form? In the formation question form, auxiliary verb put before subject. For example, they are traveling. Question, are they traveling? Okay, let's see here. Please be attention. Are is to be. And as I mentioned, we put before subject. Then we change place. Do you see? Are they traveling? How we can answer? If yes, yes, they are. Not, they aren't. Next, I am sleeping. Here we have positive form. Then next one we have question form. We change our subject before and we make am I sleeping? It's question form. And the last one, he is jumping, is positive form. Then we make negative question form. How we change our to be? Is he jumping? It's question form. And answer yes, he is, or no, he isn't. I think you understand. Here I want to show you how we make present continuous form. Before, as I mentioned, we talked about three forms. They are positive, negative, and question. Here we have the letters that I will show you once again. For example, positive form, we can also use plus, negative form, minus, and question form, question mark. Positive form, you know, to be, verb, plus ing form. Next, negative form, subject, to be, not, plus, verb, ing form. And third one is question form. We change our to be, and as you see, we have am, is, are, to be before subject, then we have subject, then verb, plus ing form and question mark. Now let's practice. I think you understand our theme and I hope you will do good. Here we have some pictures and your task is think. Make positive, negative, question sentences with pictures. For example, here I give you some examples with picture. There are three forms. They are not reading. It's our negative form. Next, are they dancing? Is question form. They are dancing. It's positive form. Next picture, the cat is sleeping. The cat is not sleeping. It's negative form. And question form, is the cat sleeping? Then you should think and do by yourself. From this picture, here we have two boys. What are they doing? You should do three sentences like I showed you before, like example, positive, negative, and question forms. Now I give you some tests. You should think. I think you have with you copybooks, notebooks, and books. Let's start it. How we will do now? Here I write some verbs and your task is doing with continuous form. For example, first one I want to show you. To read and how we make continuous form. For example, first one, to read and reading. And I give you some minutes. You should think and do by yourself. If you are ready, let's check together. To read, reading. To stand, standing. Verb, plus ing form. We make continuous form. Next, to jump, jumping. To give, giving. To swim, swimming. Okay, one moment. Let's think. Why we use here 2 times of letter M? Why? Do you remember? We have here verb, but the last letter is ending with consonant M. Before M, we have a vowel sound I. That's why when we make continuous form, ing form, we put the end of the letter twice. For example, swim, swimming, as I mentioned here, with green letter. Like next one, to sit, sitting, the same like swimming. We put 2 times letter T because they put before vowel sound. Next, to buy, buying. To dance, dancing. To play, playing. Now we get all continuous form from verb, continuous form. Now you should check by yourself individually. You sit and check. Here I gave you some questions, sentences, and you should choose correct answer. Let's write, think, then do. Here we have they, subject, I, boys, she, we. I think you are ready because it's not so difficult, because before we learn how we make all these sentences. For example, we from the subject they, we always used to be are because it's plural form. And as here I met with a red mark, they are drawing is correct answer. I think you are right. If you're not, you should just check it. Next, I always goes with M. I am walking. Always we use with to be M. Okay, next, boys. Why we use with boys are? Because boys is plural form. That's why we use here are. And then we make correct form. Boys are playing. Next one, she. She is a third form in singular. That's why we use is and verb and ing form. Like she is cooking. And last one, we have we subject. We always use with we to be are and verb having. I think you don't have mistakes. I think you all do very well. Now you have your books with you. You have notebooks and copybooks and also pen. Please open your books at page 160, exercise 1. And what we should do? Okay, look at the picture and complete the text and put the verbs into the correct form. It's text about in the mountains, nature. Here we have some pictures. Okay, here we have pictures and I will show you, it will help you. You should think and with this picture and you should put in order the correct verbs with doing, with plussing ing form because we learn continuous form. Okay, how we will do? Let's check together. First is sun is shining. We have pictures. I think it helps you. Next, what are they doing? They are, what are you doing? They are singing. Next, what are they doing? They are having fun. Please check in your book because we have picture. Next, what are they doing? They are swimming. Next, what are they doing? They are playing or is playing. You should check with our books because here I have some examples for you like picture, but in your books it will be maybe plural form. Just check it. Next, they are painting or is painting. We use always to be and verb and ing form. Next, what are they doing? They are cooking. Do you like cooking? Next, they are or is reading in your book. Next is eating or are eating. And next one is taking. We always use taking photo or make photo. Now, I think, my friends, you understand that our topic is present continuous tense. And I hope you will do homework very well without any problems. For example, what we will do at home. You will do exercise 4 at page 162. And your task is write the questions and the short answers. I have one example for you. Is your father working today? And your answer, yes, he is. Okay, my dear friends, I think you understand our topic present continuous tense and you will do homework without any problems. Have a nice day. Good luck.